everybody. Excuse me. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna, and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! How's everybody doing this morning? Well, today is Valentine's Day. Hey! Happy Valentine's Day, all my lovebirds. Yes, today is not just a day for lovers, but also a day for yourself. So love on yourself. If you don't have a partner or a husband or a wife or whatever, spoil yourself. Go out and buy yourself some flowers, some candy, all the things that you love to do. Today I'm dressed in pink. I know you don't see it, but I got pink on. I did some pink makeup. They have like this new challenge now where they have like this lipstick for the eyes. I personally think it looks really crazy, so I definitely will not be participating. Today I used the Urban Decay Cherry palette, and and of course I did the Yves Saint Laurent eyeliner and my MAC Prolong concealer and Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer as well for the base for the eyeshadow, and then my MAC, my go-to. So I'll list that up below. But yes, love on yourself. Today is your day, not just a day for lovers, but also a day for loving yourself. So however you decide to express that, do that for yourself today. You know, if you have kids, love on them. You know, today is just a love day, you know, so show your love. Today I'm going to love myself and go into the fitness studio. This is day 8. Yes, today is day 8. Working on day 8. Yes, this is day 8. So yeah, I'm on my way into the studio and I'm going to do my routine workouts. And I don't know, I'm contemplating if I should step on the scale to see how much I weigh. I told y'all to be careful with that, you know, because it might discourage you, but it won't discourage me because I've noticed. I mean, I've been there before. Can't tell you how many times I've stepped on that scale and trying to lose weight, especially after having kids and stuff. You know, sometimes that could be really discouraging because after you have a child, you know, you really want to get rid of that baby fat, and it takes time. So I'm used to it, so it's no big deal. I know it's something that, you know, takes a while. Oh my goodness. Oh, these birds just flew by. Ooh, you would think there's a race. I thought they were gone, most of the birds. I thought they were supposed to be in the south. Anywho, yeah, so stick around. Don't go anywhere. Join me as I do my fitness, and not sure what I'm going to eat today. Definitely something yummy, something salady like. Salady. That's a new word. Salady. If you like the video, thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to hear more from me. I'm vlogging, guys, so I'm basically trying to upload videos every day. So if not every day, every other day. But yeah, I'm vlogging. So my ideal weight is to get down to 60 kilos. And right now I'm 70 kilos. Yes. I hide it well because I'm tall, but yeah, it's there. So anywho. Okay, guys, see you in a bit, and don't go nowhere.